In the review problem set, problems 7 through 9, where I'll deal with that picture of the bell curve that we've been looking at all last couple weeks, where we have the 68, 95, 97.5 rule. So that 68 represents this middle 68%. That is around the mean. So if the mean is right here, if I go left 1 standard deviation or right 1 standard deviation, then I'm still in that 68%. So this part is the 68%, and that is the typical. So for number 7, what percentage of the values in the bell-shaped data set are considered typical? That answer is 68%. For number 8, what percentage of the values in the bell-shaped data are considered unusually high? That's where we get that 95 rule. That means we're 2 standard deviations away. So I have for my mean, I go up 2 standard deviations. So x bar plus 2s, or symmetrically speaking, x bar minus 2s. If I go further than that, these outside numbers, the numbers that are past that boundary, are unusually high. And these are the unusually low. So that 95% that we're talking about here, let me show you where that is with a highlighter. Is kind of this area right here. That's really a dark highlighter. It's this area, which leaves 5% on the tails, which I'm going to erase that now since that's not part of the what I want you to remember. What I want you to remember is that the 5% is split across those two tails. So the unusually low is half of that leftover 5%, and unusually high is half of that. So what percentage of the values in this are considered unusually high is 2.5%. And the unusually low for number 9 is also 2.5%. So that 95 is the center within 2 standard deviations of the mean. Excuse me. And what's left out in the tail is the remaining 5%.